Did you know that with just 60 hours of direct sunlight each month, you can improve your Bougainvillea's bloom production by up to 45%? That's about 2 hours of sun exposure each day, which plays a significant role in encouraging those vibrant, colorful flowers. If you want to see more blossoms and overall improvement in your Bougainvillea's growth, focusing on a few key care tips can make a huge difference. Whether you're aiming for a more compact shape or brighter blooms, these 5 simple steps will help keep your plant flourishing beautifully throughout the season. Number 5. Provide full sunlight. Bougainvilleas thrive when exposed to bright, direct sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours a day. This vibrant plant flourishes in full sun, which promotes strong, healthy growth and abundant blooms. Without enough sunlight, Bougainvillea may produce fewer flowers and exhibit leggy growth. Therefore, placing your Bougainvillea in a sun-drenched spot in your garden or balcony ensures it will bloom consistently throughout the growing season. Number 4. Prune regularly. Pruning Bougainvillea is essential for keeping the plant neat and encouraging more blooms. By cutting back dead or overgrown branches, you allow the plant to focus its energy on producing vibrant flowers instead of wasting resources on unproductive growth. Regular trimming also helps maintain a compact, attractive shape, making your Bougainvillea look even more stunning. Always prune after the blooming cycle to avoid cutting off any developing flowers. Number 3. Water wisely. Bougainvilleas require deep, infrequent watering, especially during the hotter months. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's crucial to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. While they are drought tolerant, these plants still need enough moisture to support their growth. By watering wisely, you ensure the roots stay healthy and the plant can concentrate on producing beautiful, colorful blooms rather than suffering from excess moisture. Number 2. Use fertilizer sparingly. Fertilizing Bougainvillea is an important practice, but it should be done carefully. Too much fertilizer, especially nitrogen-rich varieties, can result in lush, leafy growth at the expense of flowers. To promote flowering, opt for a low-nitrogen fertilizer and apply it every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. This balanced approach allows the plant to bloom profusely, while also ensuring that it remains healthy and vigorous without becoming too leggy or bushy. Number 1. Ensure good drainage. Bougainvillea plants require excellent drainage to thrive, as they do not tolerate waterlogged soil. Whether planted in the ground or a container, ensure that the soil drains well to prevent root rot and other moisture-related issues. If planting in a pot, choose one with drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. By providing proper drainage, your Bougainvillea will have the ideal environment for strong root growth and, consequently, stunning, continuous flowers.